Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here. Yes, I'm talking about the AirTags. Let's unbox it, take a closer look at them, and see, are they worth it? How do they work? Let's find out. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Today, before we get started, guys, I wanted to remind you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and comment down below. It would really help our channel grow. We've grown so much thanks to you guys. Let's keep it up, guys. But now, without further ado, let's unbox these guys. All right, so let's get straight into unboxing this. Here is the AirTag. Let's pop this little guy open. I've been excited about this. I don't see myself using it, but maybe one day I will, so let's see. But I've been excited about getting my hands on it. We got some literature here, more literature and more literature. Here, the little thing saying AirTags. Pop that right open. It kind of gives you a little idea on how to get it turned on and how to set it up with the iPhone. That looks pretty cool, guys, not gonna lie. I'm gonna put this here on the side. So here is the little guy. Let's pop this little tag off here, and you slide, that probably connects it. There's that little sound, and there you have it, guys. Very tiny, very small, pretty cool. The whole reflective thing, I don't know how that's gonna work with scratches, but we'll find out shortly. I'm gonna put that there. I also ended up picking up the actual leather key rings as well. I wanted to see how these are. The AirTag, as far as price goes, is $29.95, which is not too bad. And these guys here are $35.95. Again, not too bad. So I think that's pretty cool. I'll put the box here to the side. Here is the leather tag. This is actually very nicely made. I think this pops open just like that. Yeah, and the way that it works is then you just slide this little guy in and pop it in, and there you go. That's how it looks there with the saddle brown. And we got the blue as well. I did buy two of the AirTags. I bought one for me and one for my wife. My wife does lose her keys all the time, so I think she's gonna have a pretty good go at this. So let's see, let's try it in the blue, see how the blue looks like. Pop that right in there. And there you go. And actually popping it into the sleeve, you obviously have this little metal or aluminum piece here. And guys, I got my first scratch on the Apple logo. I don't know if you can see that, but it's already scratched. So that I can already tell you is gonna be a downside. When putting this in, you have to be, I guess, very careful. And then to take it out, it's actually not too bad. So there it is, unboxed. Now we're gonna go ahead and set it up, connect it to the phone to see how it works. And all right, so let's get this connected. The setup is very simple, guys. It's pretty much the same thing as any other Apple product. You go ahead and you put it right next to the AirTag. You get it right away. You get the connect sign. Hit connect. It gives you different names that you can add for it depending on what you want to put it on. You got bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket. So you can pretty much put it on anything. It has a custom name setting as well, so you can name it whatever you want and put it on whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my keys because I wanna go ahead and use the leather key rings and see how it looks on my keys. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put keys. You hit next, it's gonna give you your information to register it to your Apple ID. You continue and it starts setting up. It ends up being very simple, very quick. Once the setup completes, what you, if I'm not mistaken, you go into the actual Find My iPhone app, and right when you go in, it's gonna go ahead and show you the actual key, where it is, how to find it, everything. Once you get into that key, it shows you obviously the map on the top. On the bottom, you can play a sound. It's a pretty loud sound, so I think it's pretty nice. It'll let you hear it wherever it is in the house, or if it's somewhere away, you can actually hear it. It's very high pitched, so I think it's a very easy sound to hear. Here you have the find nearby. So this is when you actually lose it. You press find and it's gonna guide you all over the place and it's gonna show you. So basically, what I went ahead and did is I hid the keys in my house and I'm gonna go ahead and try to find it. I pull up the app it kind of shows you where it is. It starts searching for it right away. And then as you can see, it starts telling you how far away you actually are from it. If you move away from it, it tells you, obviously you're further away. If you move closer, the arrow goes towards the actual item. And as you get closer to your actual item, or the keys in this sense, it starts vibrating, and the big circle gets smaller and smaller and smaller to show you that you're getting closer to your keys. And as you can see, I'm getting a lot closer to my keys now. There they are, I found them. So this is very cool, it's very neat. I think the one way that I can see a use for it is maybe putting it on my bike, somewhere in my bike, hiding it, just in case my bike does get stolen or anything like that, I can find it here. So I think in a sense like that, maybe in my camera bag, to have it hanging off my camera bag, I think that would be very cool. That way I can go ahead, if my camera bag gets lost, anything like that, I can always find it. As far as my keys, I pretty much always have them with me in my wallet, so I don't think I'm gonna use it on that. But like I told you earlier, my wife absolutely loses her keys like everywhere, every day. So this is gonna be great for her. I already put one of them on her keys. So if she ever loses her keys or anything like that, you can go ahead and find it, and it's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like it. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take it out for a ride and use it on my bike and use it on my actual camera bag, but it's pretty cool for the price. I don't think you can beat it. $29, and then you can also get a ring, but these are not the only ones they have. I think Belkin also has one that's like $12. That's pretty cool. So you know, you don't have to go with the Apple ones. You can get an individual AirTag for $29.95, or if not, you can get the pack of 4, and I think it's right around $100 if you get the pack of 4. So it's pretty cool. They also have the Hermes brand AirTag that comes with the leather from them. It's like $300. I don't know if it's actually worth it. But I mean, you do have options. I think this is pretty cool as far as it goes, you know, what it can be later on in the future. But I mean, we'll have to see. I'm gonna play around with it. I'm gonna look at it and see if I actually can use it in my everyday life, and if it's something beneficial. But other than that, guys, I mean, there you have it. There's the AirTag. One thing, well, before we end this video, one thing I am gonna tell you already is I do not like this part here, this shiny part. It's of course a finger prick magnet, but you can obviously know that. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I already got a scratch putting it into the key ring. I mean, literally when I took it out, I got a scratch in there. So I can already see this being super scratched. Maybe D-Brand will come out with a little skin to put over it so it doesn't scratch. I think I already saw them come out with a skin, if I'm not mistaken. The back is white, but you know, that's gonna get scratched too. But again, it's $29. It's not meant to, you know, not to get scratched. It's meant to be on your keys, which is probably gonna scratch, or anywhere else you put it. So it's gonna happen. But other than that, guys, I think it's pretty cool. It's a nifty little thing to add on. You know, Apple every day getting bigger and getting better, and you know, kind of tailoring other products to different people and to different you know, markets. So I think this is pretty cool, guys. But there you go. Anything you guys have to add, anything you guys want to know about it, let me know down in the comments below. But guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.